10 Best Places to Visit in Summer 2024. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share with you travel tips and experiences. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 amazing destinations that you should visit this summer. Whether you're looking for adventure, culture, or relaxation, there's something for everyone on this list. So let's get started. Number 1, Greenland. If you want to escape the heat and enjoy a snowy wonderland, Greenland is the place for you. This Arctic island is full of stunning landscapes, wildlife, and culture. You can go hiking on glaciers, kayaking among icebergs, or watching the northern lights. You can also learn about the Inuit people and their traditions, and taste some of their delicacies, such as whale meat and seal soup. Greenland is a unique and unforgettable destination that will make you feel like you're on another planet. Number 2, Cappadocia. Cappadocia is a magical region in Turkey, famous for its fairy tale scenery and hot air balloon rides. You can explore the ancient cave churches, underground cities, and rock formations that dot the landscape. You can also stay in a cave hotel and enjoy the local cuisine and hospitality. Cappadocia is a dream come true for anyone who loves history, nature, and romance. Number 3, London. London is one of the most popular and diverse cities in the world, and there's no better time to visit than summer. You can enjoy the sunny weather and the green parks, as well as the iconic landmarks, such as Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, and the London Eye. You can also experience the rich culture and entertainment that London has to offer, from museums and theaters to pubs and markets. London is a city that never gets boring, and you'll always find something new and exciting to do. Number 4, Prague. Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic and one of the most beautiful and charming cities in Europe. Prague is known for its stunning architecture, especially its Gothic and Baroque buildings, bridges, and towers. You can walk along the cobblestone streets and admire the colorful houses, or take a cruise on the Vltava River and enjoy the panoramic views. You can also visit the famous Prague Castle, the Old Town Square, and the astronomical clock. Prague is a city that will enchant you with its history, culture, and beauty. Number 5, Marrakesh. Marrakesh is a vibrant and exotic city in Morocco, where you can immerse yourself in a different world. Marrakesh is a feast for the senses, with its bustling souks, fragrant spices, and lively music. You can shop for handicrafts, carpets, and jewelry, or relax in a hammam, a traditional steam bath. You can also explore the historical and cultural attractions, such as the Koutoubia Mosque, the Bahia Palace, and the Jardin Majorelle. Marrakesh is a city that will fascinate you with its diversity, energy, and charm. Number 6, Siem Reap. Siem Reap is the gateway to the ancient temples of Angkor, one of the most impressive and awe-inspiring archaeological sites in the world. You can marvel at the majestic Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, or discover the other temples, such as Ta Prohm, Bayon, and Bandi Sray. You can also enjoy the nightlife and the cuisine of Siem Reap, or visit the nearby villages and lakes. Siem Reap is a city that will inspire you with its culture, history, and spirituality. Number 7. Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen is a beautiful beach town on the Caribbean coast of Mexico, and a perfect destination for sun, sand, and sea lovers. You can relax on the white sand beaches, swim in the turquoise water, or snorkel among the coral reefs. You can also enjoy the lively atmosphere and the variety of restaurants, bars, and shops that line the famous Fifth Avenue. Playa del Carmen is a city that will delight you with its fun, friendly, and laid-back vibe. Number 8. Ljubljana. Ljubljana is the capital of Slovenia and a hidden gem in Europe. Ljubljana is a small and cozy city, with a lot of character and charm. You can stroll along the river, cross the stone bridges, and sip a coffee at one of the many cafes. You can also visit the Ljubljana Castle, the Dragon Bridge, and the Central Market. Ljubljana is a city that will surprise you with its greenery, culture, and hospitality. Number 9. Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro is the most famous and vibrant city in Brazil, and a must-see destination for any traveler. Rio de Janeiro is known for its stunning natural scenery, especially its beaches, mountains, and forests. You can enjoy the sun and the waves at Copacabana or Ipanema, or hike up to the Christ the Redeemer statue or the Sugarloaf Mountain. You can also experience the culture and the Carnival of Rio, with its music, dance, and costumes. Rio de Janeiro is a city that will captivate you with its beauty, joy, and passion. Number 10. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest and most spectacular coral reef system in the world, and a paradise for nature and adventure lovers. You can snorkel or dive among the thousands of colorful fish, coral, and marine life that inhabit the reef. You can also take a boat tour, a helicopter ride, or a submarine trip to see the reef from different perspectives. You can also visit the nearby islands, such as Hamilton, Whitsunday, or Lizard, and enjoy their beaches, wildlife, and resorts. The Great Barrier Reef is a destination that will amaze you with its diversity, beauty, and wonder. So, these are my 10 best places to visit in summer. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Also, let me know in the comments which of these places you would like to visit or have visited before. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Happy travel!